Hi everyone, very welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, that I'm at Chicago airport. I'm going back to my home for like maybe 1 or 2 months. I'll be taking Air India flight. My flight is from Chicago to Delhi, and in Delhi I'll be having total 7 hours layover, and then from Delhi I'll be taking flight to my home, that is to Kolkata. So I'm done with my online boarding. Basically, now in India, to go to India, you need to have negative RT-PCR report, which I think is really great because now India's situation is really bad. And I have already done my RT-PCR and it came out negative. And also I'm done with my vaccination, like 2 vaccines I have already taken, and I have taken 1.5 months back. And I just heard, I'm not sure how much true it is, that it takes maybe 4 weeks to build antigen. So as it is more than 6 to 7 weeks, so in that way I feel like I'm in good condition for now, as I had my RT-PCR report. So basically we had to take the test 72 hours prior to the departure, or within 72 hours prior to the departure. And today only I got my RT-PCR report. The PDF file came. So I need to go to the AS Subidha portal. Over there I need to fill up a form, like self-declaration form, that my RT-PCR is negative. And there actually I need to submit PDF of the front page of my passport, and also PDF of the RT-PCR negative report. And then from there one form has generated, that is a PDF form, that is a self-declaration form that my RT-PCR is negative. So basically, to travel to India I need 3 documents. One is passport, second is my I-20 because I am in F1 visa, and now the third additional item, that is the self-declaration form.
Please observe the no parking regulations. Upper and lower row lanes. Upper and lower row.
Hi, I have just come outside of the airport. So I'm really tired. It's like still I have 6 more hours and my flight will be from 12 p.m. and now it is just 6 a.m. in the morning. Just as I told, I didn't get any ride. That's why I had to come really early. But now I'm really tired because throughout the day I couldn't sleep. But it's been 2 years that I haven't met my family, so I'm really excited. You can see by my face how excited I am to meet my family after 2 years. So let's hope for the best. So I have already done with my check-in. I have my boarding passes from Chicago to Delhi and then from Delhi to Kolkata. And I have my cabin bag with me and one backpack. Unfortunately, this time I have to take my luggages back from Delhi, and then again in Delhi there will be some security checking, and then finally again I need to submit my baggages, and then finally I'll get them back in Kolkata. Today I have kind of mixed feeling. Initially I was really excited. Now also I'm excited to meet my family. But now it's like I have a family over here only, like my roommates, my sister, everyone is here. So 3 years back when I came to USA, I was crying so much. Okay, literally I cried in the airport. Now today again when I'm going back to India, I have never thought that I'll be really missing USA. It's basically not USA, I'm missing my roommates. My sister, she can't go because of her coursework and because of her problem, so she can't join me. So I'm really now, as the time is coming up that I need to go, I'm really feeling little bit sorry that I have to leave them behind. I'll be coming back. That is the good thing, that again I'll get so much of chances to come and to visit them and to go around with them. This is okay. So I'm finally done with my final checking. As you can see by my face how tired I am, but still I thought of recording it. This is inside of the Chicago airport. Hi, so I have boarded the flight. As you can see, I am really tired. But thankfully, there is no one by my side. And right after boarding the plane, they have given us some snacks. There is some chanachoor, Tropicana, chips, 50-50 biscuit, and assorted nuts. So I haven't opened it, but probably I'll be opening. And now, just very slowly, the plane has started. Hi guys, I just had a very long sleep. I slept for almost 7 hours. I think that's 7 more hours to go. Let's hope for the best. I so finally landed in India, and right now I'm waiting at Delhi airport to catch my next flight to Kolkata. Now time is around 2. I'm done with my checking and everything. Basically, I had to collect my luggages, and then again I need to transfer to like domestic flight center, and there again I deposited my 2 luggage bag. Right now I'm having one my cabin bag and one my backpack. So see you when I'll be going to Kolkata. Bye. From Chicago to Delhi, basically, if your seat is in the middle section, then they are giving the PP ticket. But if it is not, then just a shield they are giving. I was initially wearing the shield, but then when I was actually walking, I couldn't breathe properly, so I just thought of sorry for this wear. Actually, I'm giving my phone charged. Anyways, so basically, when I was walking, I couldn't breathe properly with the shield on, so I just kept it out and having 2 masks. I'm not touching anything, and very frequently I'm sanitizing my hand. It's just that I am already done with my 2 vaccines, but I don't want my parents to get affected by me. So I'm trying to keep myself as much safe as I can. I'm not even eating anything outside, not buying anything. As much as social distancing is possible by me, I'm doing it. Hope that everything gonna be fine. Even in the flight, crew members were actually sanitizing the flight frequently, and even in airport, I see that whenever someone is sitting on a chair and they are going anywhere, so another staff is coming and then spraying the sanitizer and everything. I'm sorry for because I'm almost creepy that sometimes I'm forgetting words. I'm almost like I started maybe 1.5 day before, so. Though I have slept for like 8 hours in the flight, but still I'm a little bit tired. And also, I won't say that I have jet lag. At least I can feel that. But yeah, in mind there is something feeling like now it is night, so I should go to bed. I should go to bed. Though I am not tired because I'm tired obviously. But as I said that I slept for 8 hours, still it like there is a hangover like it is night. So this is time to go to bed.